This video we will compare Sygic with Waze and Google Maps. So let's try to compare them right here. As you can see, Sygic is actually something that is good with offline maps. Google Maps and Waze are both apps owned by Google, and let's see right here their features. As you can see, navigation without mobile data is the core function of Sygic. Meanwhile, Google Maps is limited, while Waze doesn't actually support this particular feature. When you're driving in rural or foreign areas, mobile data can be a problem. Sygic doesn't need it. You just simply download the maps on your device. You can navigate, browse maps, and search for destinations. Meanwhile, Google Maps and Waze require internet connection for search. So, if you're actually in an area that's not really good in signal, you may be looking for something or a trouble. It also has speed limit warnings. It's actually customizable on Sygic and limited on Google Maps. Traffic information is guaranteed on Sygic, while it's crowdsourced for Waze and Google Maps. Lane assistance is advanced, while it's simplified for Google Maps and Waze. Also navigation focus with display focus option. Meanwhile, you can see right here that Sygic is freemium. It's free and provides various premium, but it also integrates other premium options. Meanwhile, Google Maps and Waze is free. You just pay with your data. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.